Tired of drowning in paperwork and manually transferring data between DocuSign and other apps? Then you're in the right place, because in the next minute, I'll show you how to connect DocuSign to Zapier, unlocking a world of automation possibilities. First, log into your Zapier account or create one if you haven't already. Click on the Create Zap button. This is where the magic begins. Now, search for DocuSign in the Trigger app search bar and select it. The trigger is the event in DocuSign that starts your Zap. Choose a trigger, such as envelope completed. This means your Zap will run every time an envelope is fully signed in DocuSign. Click Continue. Zapier will now ask you to connect to your DocuSign account. Click Sign into DocuSign and grant Zapier the necessary permissions. Once connected, click Continue. Zapier will then test the trigger to ensure it's working correctly. Click Test Trigger to pull in a sample envelope from DocuSign. Now for the action. This is what happens after the trigger. Search for the app you want to connect to DocuSign, such as Google Sheets to automatically record completed envelopes or Slack to send a notification. Select the action you want. For example, create spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. Connect your Google Sheets account and then customize the action by mapping the DocuSign data to the correct columns in your spreadsheet. You'll see options to pull data directly from DocuSign. Map the signer name, email, and other relevant information from the DocuSign envelope to the corresponding fields in your Google Sheet. Finally, name your Zap and turn it on. Now, every time an envelope is completed in DocuSign, the data will automatically be sent to your chosen app. Congratulations! You've just automated a workflow and saved yourself a ton of time.